Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ongezwa Ntsepe. So today we are doing this beautiful hairstyle. We're first going to start by moisturizing my hair. I'm just spraying now a leave-in conditioner mixed with water. I'm also going to go in with the INUKA hair food and the coffee infused hair growth oil and the MPL oil. So I'm doing this so that my hair stays moisturized under the hairstyle, and I'm also going to be using a styling gel because the styling gel does dry out my hair, so that's why I need to moisturize it before I continue with the hairstyle. And also, when you have natural hair, you never work with dry hair because it's gonna break your hair, so you need to keep it moisturized when you are working with it. So I am doing all of this while my hair is still plaited because it's braided, because my hair shrinks a lot. So the moment it gets in contact with anything that is water based, it starts to shrink. So that's why I'm doing this while my hair is braided.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us, and we just chilling.
So after I'm done moisturizing my hair, I'm just going to undo the braids, and then right here we are just brushing up my hair, and then I'm going to be detangling it so that I can make the front bun. I did part my hair before I did the braids because I wanted it to be easier for me. So you're just going to do the parting of the hair, because I want to apply the styling gel in sections because I have very thick hair and I want this hairstyle to last for a week. So I am going to be applying the styling gel in sections. If you've seen here, I parted my hair in half, and then I'm detangling that part, and then I'm going to be applying the equal styling gel and then detangle again, and then do that until I'm done with the part that is going to be our front bun as shown in the hairstyle at the beginning.
Kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding.
are going to do exactly what you did on at the front. You're going to brush your hair, detangle, and apply the styling gel in sections, especially if your hair is as thick as mine. If your hair is lighter, you may get away with just applying the styling gel on your hair at once, but if it's thicker and you want it to hold and last for like a week, you need to apply it in sections. And then for my edges, I am going to use this Vida molding gel. It does what I needed to do. I know it's not an edge control, so I'm just going to apply it on my edges and also on the parts where I feel like I need an extra hold. And then yeah, I'm just gonna brush that down to slick down my edges, and then to also give an extra hold to the parts where I feel like I do need that much support. For the hairstyle, we're going to use the Iboni Kinky. It's in color 1. I would have loved to have a color 2 or a lighter color, but yeah, this works fine also. And then this is what the extension looks like. It's more of a like a natural vibe type of situation here, so it's perfect for the hairstyle that we're going to do, and we're going to use it for the back part and also for the bun. And we're also going to be needing the crochet needle. So to do the crochet, you're going to open the needle and then put it through your hair, and then you're going to take the extension and then hook it on the crochet needle, close the needle, and then you just simply pull down and then it comes like that. Then if you want to, you can tie the hair, but I prefer not to do that because it makes it easier, number one, to take down, and also the hair stays in place. So for the back part, you're going to take one strand of the extension, and then you're going to cut it in half, and then after you cut in half, you're going to take one half and split it into two, and then you're going to continue crocheting it on your natural hair. So you open the crochet needle, put it through your hair, wrap the extension around your fingers, hook it on the crochet needle, close the needle, and then pull down, and you can tie it if you want to, or you can just leave it as is. And then we're gonna continue with this until we get to the front. So for the front part, we're not going to cut the strands in half. You're just going to separate them into two, and then you continue to crochet to your hair. And then the longer strands, with the ones that are not cut in half, you're gonna use them on the upper part of your hair, just to make the hair look more nicer. And then for the lower part of the front, you are going to cut the extension in half, as you will see as the video continues. make the bun, you're gonna take some of the strands, the longer ones, don't cut them, and then you're gonna make a hook on a hair tie, and then you're going to attach that to your own natural hair bun, and then you're gonna separate it in half and then start wrapping it around your natural hair bun, also trying to conceal your natural hair, of course. So you're gonna do that with the first half, and then you are also going to be doing it with the second half as well. And then as you will see here, as I'm wrapping it around, I am also making small twists. That is just to give the bun a cuter look, and also to make sure that the hair stays in place as well. And then you're just going to tack the end of the extension on the band that you've just made to make sure that it stays secured. Accessories, we are going to use this strand thingy. I don't know what it's called, but it is available on most stores that sell hair stuff. So yeah, so you're going to take the end of this string thingy, and then you're going to tie it at the bottom of your bun, just to make sure that it stays secured. And then you're going to take the other part and then just start wrapping around in any way you want, and then you're just going to tuck it under your bun. I prefer not to tie the other half, so that it makes it easier for me to take it off when I need to. But if you want to, you can tie it just to make sure that it is secured. And also, if you want, you can use bobby pins to just for more security, but I didn't see the need for that, so I didn't do it. And then you just finish up the hair and enjoy it.